Hi there, Danny here from Tradify. Today, I'll guide you through all you need to know about jobs in Tradify. Whether you're new to Tradify or just need a refresher, I'll show you how to create and schedule jobs, add notes and photos, and easily level up your job management. Start by navigating to the Jobs section in your left-hand navigation. This page is where you can manage all of your jobs no matter what stage they're at. Use the filters to find jobs based on their status, when they were scheduled, and even who's working on the job. You can take this one step further by setting up custom job statuses to suit your workflow. There are several ways to create a new job. Create a job from an existing quote or inquiry in just a couple of clicks. This automatically pulls through the customer data and description, saving you from having to enter it again. Maybe you're booking an emergency call-out job. Create a job directly from the scheduler when creating the appointment using the plus button within the appointment. Or create a job from scratch using the plus button on your dashboard or the new job button on your jobs page. Start by adding your customer. If you've already set up existing customers, search for their name or add a new customer by selecting the plus button to the right. Once you've added your customer, you can also add the job location. If you already have an address or site details saved against your customer profile, this will automatically populate. Otherwise, you can add this manually. Next, add a job description. Try out our new SmartWrite feature when writing your next job description. It can suggest writing improvements, fix your formatting, and even change the tone to be more professional or friendly. You can also add any staff or subcontractors who might be working on the job, but they can also be added directly to the appointment. If your job contact or site contact is different from your customer, there's a section to add their details as well. Adding job tasks can help you track work that needs to be performed and is a great way to keep everything running smoothly. You can even add costs onto your tasks as a way to ensure that every job is making you money. Once your job details are complete, it's time to book in the job. Click the New Appointment button and select the date and time of your appointment from the calendar. This automatically links the job information to your appointment. You can add any notes, assign staff, and you also have the option to enable appointment reminders for the customer by email or text message. This is a great way to keep your customers informed with no extra effort on your part. With our appointment scheduled, let's jump back into our job and take a look at just how much information we can include in our jobs. The tabs at the top of your job allow you to stay organized and link all of your related details. The Notes tab is where you can write notes related to completed work or add photos and files. Your Schedule tab is where you can see who's assigned to related appointments and when they're booked in for. The Time and Costs tabs are essential for keeping track of job costs and tracking profitability. The Time tab is where you can enter timesheet entries and track labor. The mobile app is a great option for live tracking time while on site, and we recommend checking out our other video to see how easy it is. The Costs tab allows you to track associated costs for materials. These can even be copied directly from related quotes and supplier invoices or bills. Plus, any time and materials that you add can be copied directly to an invoice ready to send to your customer in just a couple of clicks. The Quotes tab is where you can link any existing quotes and estimates. And if you've created your job from an existing quote, it will automatically be linked here. Find further options in the More tab for things like forms and certificates to create and link all of your compliance documents. Job service reports to instantly report and send all of your job details to your customers for sign-off, as well as create purchase orders and link invoices from your supplier. Looking to take your job management even further? Using job templates for those jobs that you do often is a quick and easy way to avoid manually adding the details every time. Are repeat jobs part of your business? Tradify's recurring jobs allows you to create, schedule, and invoice for repeat jobs on an ongoing basis. This is particularly useful for service-based businesses with short time frames between visits, like lawn mowing or cleaning. And for the repeat work like annual services and maintenance, use our service reminders feature to schedule automated email reminders, helping you gently remind your customer of their upcoming service and lock in their repeat business. And that's all there is to it. Easily manage all of your job details in one place using Tradify.
Feel free to check out the other videos on our YouTube channel. We have everything from detailed feature guides to customer tips and tricks. If you need any assistance or have any questions, our world-class support team is here to help. You can live chat with us from the app, shoot us an email, or give us a call.